Hi there, this is Chinkitan and welcome to my channel at YouTube at Chink Positive or Chinkitan. I'm really excited to share with you one thing that's really very close to my heart. Okay, close to my heart in the sense na may mga kilala ba kayong taong mahilig magsinungaling? Yung pero ito lang bago tayo manghusga ng ibang tao, why don't we also ask ourselves, may mga pagkakataon ka bang nagsinungaling ka na rin sa magulang mo, kaibigan mo, kaopisina mo? At what's the reason behind it? Let's say mag-overnight ka, naalala ko nung bata pa ako, di ba, gusto kong mag-overnight, sleep over na kasama yung mga classmate ko, gagawa ka ng project, pero sa totoo lang, hindi project ang ginagawa natin, kundi ibang project, gigimik lang tayo, or let's say, hindi pa tapos yung ginagawa mo, tapos tinanong ka ng magulang mo, or let's say, ng teacher mo, o tapos na ba, sagot ka naman ng oo, kahit hindi. Let's say, yun nga, tinanong sa'yo, o nakuha mo ba yung message ko, yung text, kahit na nabasa mo na, ay, hindi ko pa nababasa eh. Alam mo, kung nasabi mo yan, hindi ka, abnormal, normal ka. I also used to do that before, no? I used to lie also before, na, yun nga, na minsan, feeling kasi natin kung bakit tayo nagsisinungaling, hindi to makakasama sa iba. White lie lang naman siya. Hindi naman talaga to yung big lie. Hindi naman siya dark lie. So, sometimes we have the tendency to believe that things that you don't know won't hurt you, but in reality, the things that you don't know can destroy you. Siyempre, di ba, kung ikaw ay, let's say, napagsinungalingan di ba, na hindi mo alam talaga na makaka-apekto para sa'yo, malaking effect yan. Why should you say destroy? Dahil, alam mo, the reason why I said it you can destroy, dahil ninanakawan nila yung mga tao sa paligid ng karapatan na malaman ang katotohanan. Masakit man ito o hindi, kailangan nila malaman. Ano ba talaga ang tunay na punot dulo kung bakit ang hilig natin, or let's say hindi natin mapigilan ang ating pagsisinungaling? Number one major reason, if you're watching right now, this is the reality, dahil gusto natin mapagtakpan ang ating pagkakamali. May mga tao tayong ginawa na hindi masyado tayong na-fulfill yung kanyang expectation at promise, at ayaw natin mapagalitan, ayaw natin ma-disappoint yung tao. So, anong ginagawa natin? We just try to cover our mistake. We just always think, like for example, di ba, kung late ka, di ba, ano sagot natin? Traffic, di ba? Pagka, let's say, hindi pa tapos ang trabaho, sagot natin, dami pang trabaho. Pero sa totoo lang, nagsi-COC ka lang naman, di ba? Or, marami tayong pinagtatakpan. We try to cover our mistakes. Number two reason why we really lie is because we want to transfer ba yung responsibility, or you want to blame others. Ililipat ba natin yung pagsisisi sa ibang tao? Alam naman natin na mali ang ating nagawa, pero para hindi masira ang ating image at tiwala ng ibang tao sa atin, we have the tendency to pass the mistake to other people. We try to find fault in others, no? We blame, blame shifting ba? No, naghahanap tayo ng kadamay ba? Na minsan hindi nga sila kasama, pero sinasama talaga natin. Pero in other words, nagiging biktima sila. Another reason kung bakit ba ang tao nagsisinungaling, because they want to avoid confrontation, maiwasan na may confrontation, instead na sabihin of saying na hindi kasi fit for this group minsan sinasabi na, sorry complete na kami medyo marami na kaming tao, pero sa totoo lang, feeling mo talaga hindi siya talaga babagay. Ito yung mga we try to compromise ba? We try to, yung parang nahiya tayong magsabi ng no, nahiya tayong magsabi ng katotohanan. So, minsan, nape-pressure tayo magsinungaling. Or, another reason, which I hope na hindi sana, why we lie is to take advantage of others, para makaisa. Ito yung mga taong na uma-acting na parang lang makakuha ng simpatya at makalamang lang sa ibang tao. In other words, no offense meant, no? Yung makalamang ba, makagulang. Di ba? Yung, ano yung makukuha ko dito? Di ba? In other words, sila lang iniisip nila yung kanilang sarili. So, In other words, kung yun po yung parating ang ating motibo, nako, mahirapan talaga tayo. And last but not least, why do people lie is to make themselves feel better. You know what? It's okay for you to be happy. Wala namang problema eh. Pero pakiusap ko lang, sana, wag naman at the expense of others. Eh, syempre, di ba? Gusto mo bang ikaw rin, masira ka rin? Ika nga ikaw rin, di ba? Let's say, people would lie at your expense and then you'll become the victim. You don't want that to happen. So, I just want to encourage you. Whatever the reason, yun nga, napapressure ka kung bakit di ka magsabi ng totoo, I want to challenge you today to reflect ba. What are the reasons? Is it because to cover for your mistake? Is it to blame others? Or number 3, you just want to avoid confrontation? Number 4, to take advantage of others? Or number 5, to make yourself feel better? Check lang tayo. Ika nga, quality check tayo. Ang tanong ko lang, sige, bago tayo matapos, why don't we ask ourselves, may maganda bang maidudulot ang pagsisinungaling? If you have a lifestyle of lying, do you think it will do better or it will just do worse? Ask ourselves this following question. Think, reflect, and apply na po tayo ngayon, ha? Bakit ba tayo nagsisinungaling sa mga taong kakilala po natin, pinagkakatiwalaan po natin at mahal po natin? Na hindi mo ba alam, pag tayo nagsinungaling, masasaktan sila? Lalo na kung nalaman nila. Number 2, ano bang kinakatakutan mo? Ba't hindi ka pa rin magsabi ng totoo? Number 3, kung ikaw naman ay na-acknowledge mo nagkamali ka, paano ka naman makakabawi at humingi ng tawad para maayos mo ang isang pagkakamali? I hope that this short session about lying can really enlighten you and help you, and I hope that you will change your ways. You know what? Lying will not bring you anywhere. It will just destroy your name and your reputation. Believe me. I hope that you will change anew and you ask God to give you the grace to be able to be truthful. Because if you told the truth or you say the truth, you tell the truth will set you free. This Chingitan saying, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always check positive.